So let's draw a card. And your question is, how do you ensure that your team, because you've been working with a lot of teams in the arena of politics, business, I know you're very active in chambers of commerce.
Various chambers.
So,
Yeah.
talking about culture, how do you ensure that that team that you're involved with is sensitive culturally and globally aware?
Yeah. So, well, ang talagang number one tool diyan is the chambers that I belong to plus some other organizations. They really organize a lot of conferences,
Mm.
mini events. Just like recently, I know you've seen my post. I was in Clark with
Yeah.
the American Chamber of Commerce North Luzon chapter. So there, you get to meet a lot of people, a lot of industry leaders. Tapos, you also get to hear information that only people like the CHED commissioner are able to share.
Mhm.
So, nagiging aware ka how we compare to other countries, and you also get to compare what you already know
Mhm.
and what you don't know. So imagine, bakit mo gagawin yun? Kasi gusto mo ng first-hand statement from a person, di ba? So, in that mindset, punta ka ngayon sa events ng mga Chamber of Commerce, various industry-related organizations. Talk to people and talk to the speakers. Ask questions. Ikaw mismo, kahit it sounds stupid, ask the question that's in your mind. And then you get to learn a lot of things na hindi mo mag-google.
Yeah.
Kahit anong Google mo, kahit mag-deep web ka pa, kung marunong ka mag-deep web,
Yeah.
hindi mo yan makukuha.
Mhm.
So, in that sense, nakukuha mo, nagiging aware tayo how people respond to certain issues,
Mhm.
di ba? How different leaders and how different eyes see what's happening around us.
Yeah.
And then, parang in a way, di ba, para ka nagre-research, may thesis ka, may review of related literature ka. Ito yung RRL mo ngayon na nasi-synthesize mo into one powerful take.
Yeah.
Diba? So, and then from there, kung solutions-oriented tayo as leaders, we get to suggest, we get to craft a powerful way forward. And then, imagine, times 1,000 kayo, nag-iisip kayo pare-pareho.
Mhm.
Imagine the kind of solutions that we will be able to create. In
Nice.
that sense, that's why I also believe there will always be enough business for everybody.
Nice.
Dami ng solusyon na maiisip mo. Hindi yung laki din ng kailangan gawin, hindi mo yan kaya mag-isa. Kahit gaano kalaking kumpanya ka, hindi mo yan kakayanin mag-isa.
Yeah.
So, that's how it is.